to be filming. Here we are at Ikea. And they have good stuff. We started the day off with Swedish meatballs. And they have wooden spoons and forks. They're kind of hard to use, but you know, I'm impressed that the prices are not too bad at all. There's my brother relaxing on the Poang Brown, $129.99. That looks comfortable. How's it feel?
Oh, it feels good.
Does it? Here's the Ikea credit app. The famous Ikea pencil. I guess you're supposed to fill out a credit app. I'll take the pencil though. And I'm 25% Swedish, to be honest. And I've never been to Sweden. Don't know a word of Swedish. Know very little about the culture. But my biology says I'm 25%. My ancestry. And they got a lot of neat stuff. I like the way the store's laid out. They kind of route you through. So we're leaving the furniture. Now we're going to the self-serve furniture area. Oh, that's nice. Feels sturdy.
39.
That's a pretty good price. No, that's it. Today's December 13, 2021. Thursday, and we're headed to Houston on Monday. So if I don't talk to you before then, I'll be talking to you from Houston. We just came here for the experience. Definitely different than American stores.